Bobby. Even though Mommy went and bought fancy tools, not really, they're cheap. You know what's fixing and helping me get the sink out? Needles closed. Okay, back up. Back up. Back. Oh boy. Let's keep going and see if we can get this done. Undetached, and I didn't screw up the plumbing, which means I can keep all this and not worry about it. I'll just have to put new rubber gaskets and stuff on it. But I did it! This is officially free! What do you think, Bobby? Did I do a good job? Did I go do job? Yeah, did Mommy do good? Yeah. No touch, just sniff. What I'm gonna probably end up doing is measuring this. I think it'd just be smart to find a new counter and just go from there. So, yeah, now I have room to clean all this out. I still want my sink there, but I really am debating about just leaving this is one solid unit and still cook here because we got the fan, but I got her out. Yes. Alright, now to get rid of all the trash. I just found a table saw for $40. So I'm heading to go pick it up right now. Well, guys, meet Stevie. That's Steven. Yeah. I'm excited. So now I'm off to Menards to go get clamps, because my clamps all went and disappeared. See, a long time ago I used to work with wood and do wood burning on a regular basis, and I did all kinds of stuff and repairs and restorations and all kinds of stuff, but little bit by little bit all my gear disappears. So seems how it goes. So I'm gonna go to Menards, go get me some very much needed clamps, and then I think I'll start practicing when it's another warmer day like it is today. I'll just go and we'll just be practicing, you know, using all the equipment that I got with all the scrap lumber I have, and just seeing how things will go and adjusting and just playing around and all that good stuff. So woohoo!